In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding users to your Wrike account is an important step to ensure your team can collaborate seamlessly. So let's walk through the process together. First, start by navigating to your main Wrike dashboard. You can do this by logging into your Wrike account and locating the dashboard where all your projects and tasks are organized. This is the central hub where you'll manage your work and your team. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to find the Add Users button. This option is a bit tricky to spot. As Marcus has pointed out, it's somewhat hidden toward the bottom right side of your screen. So take a moment to look around down there. When you find it, go ahead and click on that button. Now the next step involves entering the email addresses of the individuals you want to invite to your project. This is fairly straightforward. Just type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any issues in sending out the invite. After entering the email, it's time to select the user type. Wrike gives you two options here. You can choose a regular user, who will have full access to all Wrike features, allowing them to create tasks, edit, comment, and collaborate entirely. On the flip side, if you select an external user or collaborator, know that they will have more limited access. They can only view tasks, add comments, and upload files without the full editing capability. So think about who you're inviting and what level of access they need to effectively contribute to your projects. Once you've selected the appropriate user type, the next step is to send the invitation. Hit that send button, and as soon as you do, an email will be dispatched to the invitee. It's a good idea to tell your team members to keep an eye on their inboxes. In that email, they will find a link instructing them to click Accept the invitation. This action will prompt them to either log in to their existing Wrike account or create a new one if they don't have one yet. After they accept the invitation and log in, they should be all set to start collaborating on your projects. It's an easy process, but ensuring everyone is on the same page from the get-go is key to successful teamwork. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add users to Wrike. By bringing more people into the fold, you'll enhance collaboration and keep your projects on track. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video and consider subscribing for more tips like this. Your support means a lot, and it helps us create even more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching.